Here on the side, we just did all this railing using the Antaisolar cracking is really good. Easy to install, very fast, probably 50% of the time. We use just a normal railing and join them together. Very simple. Just grab the rail inside the joint, the splicer, screw one side in. Yeah, that's in. Insert the mid clamp, put it in, this goes in. Have a pinch the cable, because if it is tied up and the screw is protected, even if it is tied up with a gun, the screw will never penetrate. That's the mid clamp. The end clamp is the same. Sits on the panel. It's really good, fast, very efficient. The boys love it. And even the clips, mid clamps, end clamps are really good because the cable is protected. You can leave the cable inside the rail so that the screw doesn't penetrate the cable, doesn't pinch it.